Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download forex systems, forex robots, forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. So this is what happened on gold, and it's just a quick demonstration of what happens when you begin to understand how to use these tools. You are able to spot the key levels, the psychological levels that most people are watching, which are the round figures, the half figures, or the quarters, whatever suits or rocks your boat. But certainly, yeah, it's as easy as that. As I said previously, it's not a complete system, the tools alone. You can actually incorporate them and use them with your other indicators or your other strategy to build a better picture of what's happening in the market. Tell me what you're looking at. Tell me that it's coincidence that gold went up there. It has been there previously in 1900, touched the level and came down all the way. The two basically plotted, showed you that this has happened previously. It's like I said previously, I only use it as a visual reference. It doesn't tell me when to enter or when to exit. I basically use the tool to show me where there are potential reversals, those psychological levels, those round figures, those key levels that most people will be watching. The common sense about these psychological levels, the round figures, is if you've got 5 million, 10 million, $1 billion to move, are you going to trade at 0.163.111 whatever number, or are you going to wait for 0.500 or 100 or 0.250? You're going to wait for those round numbers. That's why they are called key levels or psychological levels, or I don't know what people would want to call them in your sphere of trading, but they are round figures and they are significant. So those tools just help you to visualize them. Then from there you can also use them with your other trading tools, whatever you use, the Fibonacci, moving averages, whether you trade support and resistance, whether you whatever you use really. At least the round figure tools are giving you that extra confirmation that you are entering at a possible key area, at a possible psychological level, at a possible area of interest for many people, because these round numbers are watched by many people. If you have comments, if you have better ways to use these tools, you are welcome to leave your suggestions in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, watch the video.